Unlock the power of Gemini AI directly from your terminal and revolutionize your workflow. First things first, we need to get the Gemini CLI installed on your system. This involves a quick download and setup process. Ensuring all the necessary components are in place, think of it as laying the foundation for your AI conversations. Once installation is complete, the next crucial step is configuration. This is where you'll link your Gemini API key, which essentially authorizes your access to the AI. It's a straightforward process. Just follow the prompts to enter your credentials securely. Now, let's dive into the fun part: usage examples. We'll start with a basic query. To get a feel for how it works, you'll see how to structure your requests and interpret the AI's responses directly within your command line. We'll then explore more advanced applications, such as generating code snippets, summarizing long texts, or even getting real-time insights from data. You'll learn to harness Gemini's capabilities for tasks that streamline your daily operations. Mastering the Gemini CLI opens up a world of possibilities for efficient and integrated AI interaction. Now go forth and command your AI.